Matthew, I don't care. Look, I went to the sequesters last night and they said that we could make the deal today. So, well, bugger the workers. We're not a bloody charity. No, you just go down and sign the papers and pick up the keys, and I'll go down and sort out anybody who steps out of line, all right? And by tonight, the Great Egg Chicken Company, or whatever it is, will be under our wing, so to speak. That's a joke, Matthew. Fine, okay. See to it. There's a good boy. Asshole. Jesus! Sinclair. Oh, Marcia. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Yep. Okay. Right. Okay. I'll see you. James, I need to go to Marcia's just briefly. Marcia.
Bernard, I haven't seen you all week.
Well, I've been busy.
I've missed you.
Yeah, well, I've missed you too, Marcia. Marcia. Look. Right. Marcia. The trouble is, I mean, yeah, this is great. This really is great. But the trouble is, I've only got 10 less minutes. James is outside. James is outside. He's taking me down to this place. We've got to sort it out. And...
Oh, shut up. Bernard, what's the matter? Bernard!
I'm sorry.
Bernard!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Bernard!
Yeah, Sinclair, what is it? Matthew. Matthew, calm down. What is it? Okay, so they're striking, so what? It's legal. All right. I'll go down and sort them out. I'll cut out a few ringleaders and whip their asses. Now just keep calm. Okay, James, down to the factory.
Who's the spokesperson for this group?
Yeah, I'm the foreman around here.
So what's going on?
Well, apparently some toughy-nosed gits coming down here to try and close this factory down. We're not going to take it lying down.
No fucking chance.
We've been working here for years.
Is this it?
Yep, and your name is?
English. Harry.
What the hell your name, mate?
Very English.
Right. Well, my name is Bernard Sinclair. And I'm the person who's come down here to...
Ah!